Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and especially in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because for the most part on the day, things were essentially nothing really was going on, and then all of a sudden I'm guessing some sort of news or something came out in the afternoon, but you can see the volume just came surging in, and the volume remained strong, and the price reacted, very nicely with it. So the question though that I was referring to revolves and circles around the point that today was a very, very nice move. I can't imagine anybody saying that this here wasn't a good move. I think everyone would agree, yeah, that was indeed a good move. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it actually revolves around some lines that I talked about yesterday, namely this red line right here of 61 cents, which was a level of resistance. And a foundational principle in charting states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And this is going to be very important now going forward. So again, when levels are broken of resistance, you want to see them act as support. So how is 61 cents going to help us answer that question? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Yeah, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 61 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That is literally putting the price right back inside of this channel that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 61 cents. So all in all, I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance because really the easy way to look at this, as long as the price builds higher bases, the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So very powerful afternoon. Now it definitely becomes a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum? One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.